What if I told you you could make money online just by watching ads from the comfort of your home or being in school, anywhere you are, just by watching ads with your phone, you get to make money. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, we are all about bringing simple, easy, legit ways of making money online. So you don't get to struggle, you don't get to do any hard labor, you just get to be at the comfort of your home, your school, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and you get to make money. Whether you're a single mother, you're a student, you're working and you're looking for any other alternative side hustle, this channel is here to give you the best and the most legit side hustles that you ever find online. So stick around with me as we go through the best sites that will pay you to watch ads. The first site we'll be talking about today that will pay you to watch ads is called ClipClaps. ClipClaps is an app that has been around for a while, and it has over 5 million downloads on Google Play Store, meaning many people have been trying the app and it's been successful for it to have that ratings, meaning many people have been catching up from the app. So I'm going to be showing you my screen and you get to see where you can download and how you get to make money on the app. Okay, guys, you come to clipclaps.com. All you have to do is download the app on the App Store or the Google Play Store. But I'll definitely advise you to download the app on the Google Play Store on your Android phone because there you get to have many different gigs, many videos, and all. So you come to clipclaps.com. You make sure you download the app. I'm gonna be showing you the website, but you need to download the app in order for you to earn. So capitalize your time with ClipClaps. Real rewards made simple to earn. So you're going to be watching videos like these, and you see the coins that are willing to pay you for every video. So be the guide, vote for your favorite content and for your favorite content creators. So you don't only get to watch videos, you get to also vote for the best content that you see on the sites. So people get to post different contents and you watch them and they get to pay you coins on the app that you earn that you can actually withdraw if you meet the payment threshold. For this app, I'm going to advise you like you need a lot of coins for you to meet um the minimum threshold for in order for you to withdraw. So you might just be doing it on your part time, your leisure time, the times that you feel like you don't have anything doing, you might be relaxing, and you just log in on the app, you get to watch few videos, and your coins accumulate over time. It's not something that you can make like $10 or $20 in a day. It's something that you get to accumulate it maybe at the end of the month. Then when you get those points together, you can easily withdraw. So I'm going to be giving Clip Claps a 3.5 over 10 because the points are actually not so much. So the points that they give you for watching videos are not really worth a lot. So I'm gonna be giving it a 3.5 because it's an app where you have to like be there, progress gradually. It's not like the others where you can easily make $10 in a day or maybe get to make $20 in a day. So that's it for Clip Claps. Let's go to the second. The second website we'll be talking about or app we'll be talking about today is called Cointiply. With Cointiply, you not only watch videos, but you get to watch videos. You can also do surveys. You can also do different offers on the site. So they do offer different alternative apart from watching ads. But on this video, we're focusing on watching ads. So I'm gonna be showing you my screen, and you get to see how you can watch ads and make money on Cointiply. So with Cointiply, you just have to come. I already logged into my account. When you come to cointiply.com, you see PTC ads, view PTC ads. So all you have to do is come here to ads. Yeah, you get to see the points they're willing to offer you. And on Cointiply, take note that the pay in cryptocurrency. Cointiply is mostly focused on paying in cryptocurrency. So when you come here, you see how many coins are willing to pay you. This person is willing to pay 41 coins for a 60 seconds video, 60 seconds ads that you're going to view. So you just have to go to view. As you're viewing the side, the countdown, you can see here, they are showing you the countdown. So when it gets to 60 to the 0 seconds, they'll credit you the coins. So you have to wait for the seconds to elapse or the minutes. If they tell you, oh, it's for a minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes that you have to watch this particular ad, you have to make sure you follow the instructions in order for you to be credited. So we're just gonna wait for it to count down and you get to see the coins to be credited on my wallet. It's showing a tick, meaning I've viewed the ad successfully. Valid your PTC view. Select syringe. I have to select syringe to valid. Your view has been recorded. Okay. So they have credited me the coins that I just earned, which is how many coins? Win up to 5 BTC plus da 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 da. Da. So these are the ads that you have to view. The ads, each ad has its own coins that you can earn from it. There are ads that you can earn like 100 coins. So it just depends. Then apart from viewing ads, you can do surveys, you can play games, you can do mission and events. So they do have other alternative things that you can do in order to make money on Cointiply. But since we are focused on viewing ads, I have to show you guys how you make money by viewing ads. So I just viewed some few ads. You can see my wallet. I have 254 coins already, which is 0.02. So I just viewed some few ads and I made that. So in your spare time, you can just come on here and view some ads and get to make money. And if you want to really be interested in it, you can come on and view different tags. These are games that you can play and earn and so coins. These are surveys that you can do and you get to earn coins. This survey is willing to pay 22,950 coins. This is willing to pay 10,000 coins and so on and so forth. And they do have different partners that you can come on to and you get to see what they are offering. Let's open this. Okay. Yeah. You come to this, you see the surveys that they're offering and how much you're willing to pay. You come to the games. They will ask you to select. If you I always advise you guys to select Android. If you don't have an Android phone, you can use your iPhone, but it's always good to use Android phones because Android phones give you more options. You see these games, how much they're willing to pay you. 4 million coins, that's a lot of money. If you convert 4 million coins, that should be like close to $400 or something, or more than $400. Welcome cash, 3 million coins. Forest cleaner, 4 million coins. So you get to sit down, multiply. You have different options apart from watching ads. You can play games and get to make money. You can do surveys and you get to make money. So it just depends on you and what you think will be the best option for you. So we multiply. I'm gonna give it a 6/10 because it's actually cool. And the money they're willing to pay you, it's actually worth it for what you'll be doing. And most of the ads that you watch, they are not like lengthy or something, and you don't get to waste your time. So that's it for Contiply. Let's go to the third side. The third site we'll be talking about is actually called CoinPayU. It's almost the same thing like Cointiply. It's almost the same thing. There might be just minor differences, but they're almost the same thing. PayU also is a crypto-based site where they pay you in cryptocurrency, and they can also pay you through PayPal. And it's also good for watching ads. You click ads and you get to get paid. You earn some few bucks for clicking the ads. And make sure to stick to the rules, as I said before. If they tell you, oh, this ad is 1 minute, you make sure you stick to 1 minute in watching the ads for you to get credited. Don't just open the ad and you close it and feel like they'll credit you. No. When you open, if they tell you, oh, this ad is 30 seconds, when you open the ads, make sure you wait for 30 seconds to elapse before you close the ads. So I'm going to be showing you my screen so you get to see how CoinPayU works. This is my dashboard on CoinPayU. I just created my account. You can see these are surveys that are willing to pay you for. Let's go to ads since we're focused on watching ads. You come here, you come to framed ads. Okay, claim every 4 minutes, withdraw instant, mine free BTC, blah blah blah. Frameless ads. These are how much are willing to pay you for these ads. This is willing to pay you 4.6 coins for 20 seconds. This is willing to pay you same thing. So I'm gonna try this. Let's see. Okay. We've opened the ad, so I'm waiting for 20 seconds to elapse before I close the ad. You can see, oh, it's actually 2 minutes, not 20 seconds. So it's actually 2 minutes ads that you have to watch. This is the countdown. If you look at it, this is it here in this color, 1 minute 32 seconds left. So I'm just gonna wait till it elapse, then we'll go back to the site to see if I've been credited or not. Okay, the countdown has expired, so I'm gonna close the ads now and come back here. You close the advertisement too soon. Okay, I actually did close it too soon, but you have to make sure the time frame that they give you, you stick to it and you get paid. And you can come to other offers that they do have. Okay. They do have games. You can also do games if you want. If you feel like okay, ads are not enough, they're not ads definitely will not make you a lot of money. So you can come to games. These are the games that they have. Rise of a Kingdom, Android. You guys notice I told you why you need to use an Android phone because most of these games, the high paying games are mostly on Android phones. So you see this one, $334 is Android phone. Mafia, $208 is Android. Mafia City again, you might have it. So you get to see all these other games. Rock and Cash, you can see it's $840 on Android phone. On Android phone, $840. You can't even see it on Apple. You can see it on Apple, but it's gonna be lesser. This is a year on Apple, 465. But on Android phone, they're willing to pay you 840. So you get to see different browse different games that you think that you can do them. And make sure you stick to the rules of every game that you're doing. For example, let's say you want to play this Rise of a Kingdom. You have to read the instructions in order for you to get credited. Which city this, that. Unlock every TV within 30 days. So they will pay you according to the levels that you get to. So make sure you follow the instructions on every game that you any game that you want to do and you stick to it and you get paid. There are many varieties of games on the side that you can get to do and you make money. You can see them thousands, like hundreds of games. Look, I'm just scrolling and I'm seeing different games from the most paid ones to the least paid ones. So even if you want to do bubble bus, let's say bubble bus, the easier games that you can do, that these that are just paying you $2. You can see different type of games that you have. And you can also do surveys. You can also come to surveys. You can see people that are doing surveys, how much they're making. This person has made 439 coins already to in the last 4 minutes. This person has made 439 in the last 4 minutes, 6 minutes. This person has made 650 coins in the last 10 minutes. Sorry, coins. So you get to see what different people are earning on the sites. And you can also do tags. You can also do tags, Telegram price box, make money online, watch videos and make money. Different tags that they give you to do. So just sign up, come to this CoinPayU, sign up and start making money online. Start making money from the comfort of your home. Just sign up to the site, start making money. You can see the hundreds of games that they do have. And as I will always emphasize, make sure if you're playing a game on any of these sites, you use an Android phone because an Android phone is very easier to track because they do track as you play the game. They do have a tracking process in order for them to record the levels which you get to. So use an Android phone is much easier to track, much easier to gather data on what you're doing. So make sure to use an Android phone if you want maximum earnings from all the sites. And with CoinPay, I'm gonna give it a 7/10 because it actually has nice games and high paying games than Cointiply. But with respect to ads, the ads are less paying. They're not really they don't really pay too much as compared to Cointiply. So they're just in between each other. So that will be the end of this video. So thank you all so much for joining. Thank you, whatever site that you're going to be choosing or doing, anyone that you feel like you'll be doing, make sure to leave a comment. If you've tried any, make sure to leave a comment, like or something. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you all so much for watching. Without you, I will not be here. Without you guys, I will not be here. Without your support, I will not be here making this video. Thank you all so much and see you guys in our next video.